the first thing that our body will do is called intuition. And it's a very, very brief flash. And this is when you put something on your plate and you get this, I don't want to eat that. And then after that is the emotional response. And the emotional response is, if I don't eat it, when I was 5, my mom yelled at me for not eating the broccoli, therefore I should eat the broccoli. And the emotion is strong. The intuition is weak and fast. And then after that, we start thinking. But we think based on what we believe from the emotion. So then you eat the broccoli. In fact, my kids taught me this. So I built a regenerative farm on Vancouver Island, where I raise my kids. So it rains a lot. It's Canada. So we had some winter broccoli. And we put it out for the kids. And they're like, I don't want to eat this. Normally eat their broccoli. I say, be quiet, eat the broccoli. I eat the broccoli too. So we all had headaches and gastric upset and all that. It turns out there's a winter mold called Alternaria brassica that grows on broccoli that's been wet outside in winter.
Wow.
And it's called Alternaria from altered states. So we're kind of seeing colors and feeling like crap. The kids knew intuitively not to eat that broccoli. Right? So I learned to listen to them, and I learned to listen to myself.
Yeah.
Put something in front of me. I don't have to think about whether it's good for me. I have to intuit whether it's good for me. Then I have to set aside any emotional response I might still have.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to make a considered decision.